Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and today I have a package that has come from Justine King, and it is a cover for my Jibun Techo Lite. Now, in between the time that I sent back my package to Asan for the Cold Creek because it was too big, and between then and when he decided to send me a new one, I ordered this one. And this was a custom order through Justine King, who had reached out to me and told me that she did do the size that I wanted. And so I got on her website and I ordered this. And I added a little bit of a change. I wanted the, so it is in the Rootbeer leather, which is a beautiful kind of textured pebble leather, and that is very cute. Let's see if I can try to save that. Ooh, yay! All right, so, and this is the first Justine King that I've ever had. So I've not had any of her covers before. I've seen them and they're beautiful. I just did not have the chance to order them. So this is the first one I'm getting. Hey! Oh, cute. Okay, so there's that. That is cute. Count the happy. Or count the happies. I like that. That is way cute. It's a cute little bag. Now I had seen a picture of this online. Oh my god. Okay, see the striations and everything in there. And this is the emerald, I think. Let me see if it actually has the name of it here. Thanks so much. We truly appreciate your order. Hoping you are doing well, Justine and her husband. And this is the J.T.King Leather. This is the maker, Justine and Tim. And that's how you can contact them. So this is the Rootbeer leather, the brown. And then this is, I think it's the emerald. I've since seen one with a rough edge pocket with the natural edge. Had I thought about it more, I think I probably would have went with that, but this is gorgeous. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And I don't know what they do to the leather, but it is amazing. So, moment of truth. Let's put in the Jibun Techo. Oh yeah, that fits like a glove. Oh, so nice. So yay, I have two different options now, and I love that this has a front pocket to it. Oh my goodness. And so you've got the elastic. Now this is like a stretchier elastic. I know those of you who are familiar with Chic Sparrow, their elastics are a little bit more taut. It does not have as much give in it. This one has a lot of give, so if you like that. But that's going to work out perfectly. So I have two options, and it fits very close to it. Now let's see if I can get it in any further. I don't think I can. But, oh, okay. It was the knot that was causing it to be a little off kilter there. But, yeah. That is absolutely gorgeous. Very slim profile. And, yeah, it is beautiful craftsmanship. And it smells divine. Oh! So you have a pocket here that goes all the way to the bottom. You have, I'll show you, a pocket there and a pocket there, which are the business card pockets. Then you have a full pocket there. Then in the back, you have the same. Pocket there, and then the full pocket there. And I'm actually going to just tuck that into the back right there. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, so if you want to order one from Justine King, you can get on her website or on her Facebook page, and you can ask any questions. She is there. She will happily answer them. But you can get on her website, and I'll link that down below. Again, this is the Rootbeer leather, and this, I'll link the color. I think it's the emerald. I want to say the Emerald Isle, but I don't think that's it. But it's, I mean, it's the only leather like this, I can promise you. So it is gorgeous together, and I am so excited to have this. So yay! Thank you, Justine. This is beautiful, and I just love the feel of this leather. It is very similar to the cherry cola that I have from Zencraft. So yeah, they are a very similar type of leather, and I just love it. I just love the texture of it. I love the way it feels. It's a firm hand, but it molds to everything. So I was worried that it would be too stiff or too thin, but it's perfect. So yeah, I love that. So there you have it, my new Jibun Techo cover from Justine King, and it is gorgeous. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.